beige kitchen cabinets. Some call them boring, some say they're outdated. But the truth? Beige is one of the most versatile, sophisticated cabinet colors you can have. If you know how to pair it, get the right color alongside beige, and suddenly your kitchen goes from basic to breathtaking. But how do you find that perfect pairing? That's what this video is here to show you. You'll discover 10 stunning color combinations that completely change the way beige feels. From cozy farmhouse to sleek modern, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to transform your beige cabinets into the kitchen of your dreams. Let's get into it. This is classic contrast done right. Beige brings the warmth. Navy blue adds depth. Together, they create a palette that feels both grounded and upscale. It's a color pairing you'd expect to see in a designer's portfolio. Refined, balanced, and timeless. Use navy on your kitchen island, accent wall, or even as a backsplash. It makes your beige cabinets pop in a way that feels intentional, not accidental. What's great about navy is that it doesn't fight beige, it frames it. Add warm metallics like brushed brass or antique bronze, and the look gets even richer. This combo works beautifully with white stone countertops or subtle gray veining in marble. Beige isn't boring here, it's the star. Navy just gives it a spotlight. And speaking of warmth, the next color pairing feels like a glowing afternoon sun. This one's for lovers of rustic charm and earthy elegance. Terracotta brings a soft, sun-baked heat to beige. It pulls out the golden undertones and gives your kitchen that handcrafted Mediterranean feel. Use terracotta in floor tiles, feature walls, or even light fixtures and accessories. It brings energy without being overpowering. This palette begs for natural textures: wood, clay, linen. If you want a kitchen that feels like home, cozy, inviting, and full of soul, this pairing delivers. And yes, it works in both small and large kitchens. Want something a little moodier? Let's take things darker and sexier next. Charcoal gray and beige are like yin and yang, soft and strong, light and shadow. Beige cabinets bring light into the room, but charcoal grounds it all. This is a pairing for modern kitchens with clean lines and minimalist vibes. Use charcoal for countertops, tile, or your kitchen island base. Keep the finishes matte or satin for a contemporary touch. Add in black hardware or smoky glass pendants, and suddenly your beige cabinets look modern, not dated. This is contrast that doesn't shout, it whispers, and that whisper is powerful. Ready for something sweet and unexpected? Let's talk blush. Yes, beige and pink, and no, it's not too girly. Blush pink brings a modern, romantic edge to beige. It's soft, sophisticated, and surprisingly neutral. Use blush on the walls, a tiled backsplash, or even barstool upholstery. It creates a gentle, welcoming warmth, like morning light. Add in gold accents, light wood, and maybe a hint of greenery, and you've got a kitchen that feels joyful and fresh. It's one of those palettes that people don't expect, but always fall in love with. Now, what if you want your beige cabinets to feel ultra-modern? This next combo is for you. Beige softens, black sharpens. This combination creates drama, but keeps it balanced. Matte black countertops, open shelves, or fixtures next to beige cabinets feel confident, curated, and bold. The key here is restraint. Don't go overboard, let beige lead, and use black like eyeliner, a bit here and there to define the space. Want to go next level? Try black frame windows or pendant lighting for that high contrast pop. The result is modern, striking, memorable. But what if you love nature and want something more calming? Let's go green. This pairing is soft, gentle, effortless. Sage green is calming and earthy. Beige is warm and welcoming. Put them together, and you get a kitchen that feels peaceful, like it was designed to slow you down in the best way possible. Sage green works beautifully on walls, backsplashes, or even lower cabinets in a two-tone layout. Beige holds its own against sage, never overpowering it, just gently supporting the tone. This is the palette for people who love organic textures. Think stone countertops, ceramic dishes, wooden stools, and linen towels. It's not flashy, but it's full of feeling. If you've ever wanted your kitchen to feel like a breath of fresh air, this is it. Let's go bolder next, because beige can also play luxe. There's a quiet glamour in this combo. Beige is a natural canvas. And gold, it's the jewelry. We're not talking shiny, high-polished gold. Think brushed gold, champagne bronze, or antique brass. These finishes glow against beige cabinets and instantly elevate the space. Use gold for cabinet handles, lighting fixtures, faucets, and even mirror frames if you have a breakfast nook or bar. To keep the look balanced, bring in soft whites or warm taupes to fill in the gaps. Add a little marble or quartz, and the entire kitchen feels sophisticated and timeless. This combo is perfect for those who want their kitchen to feel elegant, but not overdone. But maybe you lean cozy over classic. Let's shift gears. This combination wraps your kitchen in warmth. Mocha brown is rich, inviting, and full of depth. When paired with beige, it creates a cozy, layered look that feels like a warm hug. Use mocha on floors, beams, or an island base. Let your beige cabinets provide the light and balance. Add in creamy whites or soft amber lighting to pull everything together. This combo loves texture. Butcher block counters, terracotta pots, and woven baskets fit right in. It's a palette that works especially well in farmhouse, country, or transitional kitchen styles. Now, ready for something with a bit more color? Teal is confident, beige is subtle. Together, they create surprise harmony. Light teal adds just enough pop to make your beige cabinets feel alive. It's perfect for people who want color but still crave calmness. Use teal on a backsplash, accent wall, or even in your decor. A vintage mixer, a statement bowl, a few hanging utensils. Pair it with white or pale gray countertops, and the whole kitchen gets a light, airy vibe with personality. This is a combo that feels fresh, without going full color bomb. And finally, we land on a pairing that's forever classic. Sometimes the most powerful combos are the quietest. Beige and warm white don't contrast. They blend. And that's the point. This pairing is for those who want their kitchen to feel soft, seamless, and full of light. Use warm white for the walls, trim, or even the upper cabinets. Let beige anchor the lowers. Add natural stone, glass front cabinets, and a few vintage touches, and the whole room feels like it belongs in a Tuscan villa or a California bungalow. It's soothing, safe, but never bland. This is a color combo that grows with you. It never goes out of style, because it never tries too hard to be in style. Beige doesn't have to be basic, not when you know what to pair it with. Whether you go bold with navy or stay subtle with sage, each of these 10 combinations transforms your beige cabinets into something unforgettable. So, which pairing feels most like your future kitchen? Comment below. Like it if you found your dream combo. And don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen design ideas that are equal parts beautiful and practical. See you in the next one.